Court calls cause number 2016333379, and it is styled Office of the Attorney General and George Eric Saldana. Has Ms. Conley been participating in this matter at all? Does anybody
Your Honor, she has not.
She has not. Okay. All right. So for the record, the court has examined the court's file in this matter, and there is a TRO that's set for this morning. And I'm wondering, Mr. Joseph, how was that TRO noticed?
Your Honor, are we talking about the continuation of the previous hearing? That's what I think this is today, is it's the continuation of the hearing that we began a couple of weeks ago. And Mr. Saldana was noticed by e-service.
Your Honor, can you turn on closed captioning for the hearing impaired?
Mr. Saldana, this is the deal. This case was specifically set for an in-person hearing. And so at this particular time, the court is open. Anyone that you would like to bring down to witness the hearing or participate in the hearing is available. So this case is reset to December 2nd.
Yes,
All right.
Judge, you're denying me my ability for due process, Judge. I have the right to the child.
Mr. Saldana, let me explain something to you again.
There was no service, Judge.
Mr. Saldana, all of these proceedings are being recorded by the official court reporter, okay? And one of the problems that I have is that we prominently display the fact that no recording shall be made of our proceedings other than that conducted by the official court reporter for the 257th court. It has come to my attention that you or your people have been recording snippets of proceedings that are going on as they're going on. You're posting them on the internet and Facebook and other social media sites. It's inappropriate. And so the only way that we can deal with what I consider a violation of a court order is for me to only allow these proceedings to appear in person. Then everybody's on the same page. You're not able to pick and choose what you choose to disseminate. The record will stand for what the record is.
Judge, I'd like to preserve the record.
Yeah, you have a record. You have a record, Mr. Saldana.
And I'd like to preserve it and give my 2 cents.
All right, you can give your 2 cents, but understand, I have ruled. This
Correct.
Case is reset to December 2nd, 2021 at 10 o'clock in person.
Judge, I would like to say that just earlier, and I hope this is on the record, I asked for a record to be made, that you stated that somebody recording, you have referred that over to the Harris County Sheriff's Office.
Correct.
But I have made several criminal complaints and you haven't referred any of mine to be investigated. So why are we picking and choosing what we're trying to have investigated?
All right, Mr. Saldana, as I told you, I'm a family district court judge.
Correct.
You know, I'm not a prosecutor. I looked at the file. You have filed numerous criminal complaints within the family district court clerk's file, okay? But those aren't under my jurisdiction. That I prosecute.
But you can refer them.
That I refer. And so you have already referred those matters to the district attorney's office, which is
I have not.
Appropriate.
No,
well, then, sir, I suggest you do so. And we are done. So you are excused. Have a good day.
Thank you very much.
Your Honor, just before we go past this case, the Office of the Attorney General is present on that. And I don't know if this is the continuation of a motion to revoke or if this is a TRO under a mod.
Okay, so what we were trying to do today was I tried to set a hearing so that we could the court could consider modification of the terms and conditions of probation.
Okay.
However, it was scheduled and noticed by the court as an in-person hearing, And what's happened is Mr. Joseph and his client are here in person. Mr. Saldana is not here in person. So, you know, based on just the fact that all of this stuff is being disseminated on the internet and in violation of our court order, the courtroom is open, the doors are open today, they've been open every day for quite a bit of time. And so since we have an open courtroom, in order to encourage everyone to come down if they're interested in proceedings, they are welcome to come in person, okay? So
I understand.
It's been reset to December 2nd, I'm sorry, at 10:00 a.m. in person.
And this is just the revoke on the enforcement of possession and access, correct?
Well, actually, I already denied the motion to revoke. So
Correct.
I'm considering at this point a modification of the terms and conditions of probation. So that was what the hearing was supposed
Fair
to be
enough.
about, to give everybody an opportunity to give both sides an opportunity to weigh in on it.
Fair enough. Okay. Thank you very much, Judge. I appreciate it.
All right.
And Judge,
Yes.
Mr. Savannah, he also said a motion for enforcement the same day. He said, you know what?
That's fine. Okay, I mean, you know, the act, it's judicial economy and all that. All right, is there anything else that we need to address?
Nothing further going on that I can think of.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you very much, John. Have a good week, or good week. God, it's only Monday. Thank you. Very much.
All right, Ms. Kuzic. Ms. Kuzic, are you about ready to proceed?